Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. My dear audience, this side is a resident of village Bandi Chechiya, district Poonch, Jammu and Kashmir, India. I'm just here to open the things on the reality of a thing called as war, because the war has been glorified from the history itself till now, and it was being glorified after the Pahalgam attack in India by the various YouTubers, influencers and the various people. Like, the people wanted the answer from the government, and our government took the very decision on the right time and did the Operation Sindoor. We are very proud of the Operation Sindoor and proud of being an Indian. But the thing is that when the war starts, it is difficult to end, and the reality of the war is very harsh. It is very heart-wrenching. When we see the ground realities, that is something that is heart-wrenching. The people who glorify the war, or the media who glorifies the war being sitting in Mumbai or in Delhi, but you should be knowing of the ground realities that we the people living in LOC areas, we the people living in the border villages, that what we face. So today I'm here to make you aware of the ground reality of a thing called as war. So my dear audience, it was 12 a.m. right in the night of May 7 that we the people living in the village of Bandi Chechiya, a very close area to Pakistan, LOC, we heard the voices of shells, which were like we did not hear from the past 2-3 years because of the ceasefire agreement done between both the countries. However, it was at 12 a.m. that this ceasefire agreement got broken, and we people got in the fear, right? It was after May 7 till now, we have spent around 113 hours in the fear. We have spent these hours being in the terrific situations. We the people of village Bandi Chechiya, there were people, around 4,000 people who had left their villages, who had left their homes, who had left their cattle there, their land, everything there, and we are all like refugees now. We have left our Poonch, the city of Poonch, which is called as the city of saints. The city of saints has been bleeding from the past 4 days. And the people living in the cities, like, we were moving toward development. Our district was moving toward development. We were seeing some new restaurants coming up. We were seeing some new marts coming up, some new buildings, very new projects. Like, we were believing that our Poonch is going towards, prosperity and development. But it was out of a blue, that this war thing came into our Poonch, and the people of district Poonch and Rajouri are the most of the sufferers, because we have lost around 40 lives. We have seen the shells going from above our terrace and just blasting on the next to our doors, and that feeling that next can be us. That feeling is the worst feeling to have ever in life. And seeing our beloved people, our land being abandoned, and seeing the blood of our people is the most terrific feeling. Like, this is the reality that today, through this video, through this side, I want to convey to the people that who were glorifying war, that war should never be glorified. War itself is a problem. How can it become a solution to various problems? War itself is a problem. The blood of either a Hindu or either a Muslim, the blood of either an Indian or either a Pakistani, is the blood of humanity. Wherever war happens, the humanity dies. Wherever war happens, the humanity dies. So me, being the citizen of district Poonch, I have seen my city getting abandoned. I have seen my people dying. I have seen my very sparkling, very colorful city getting abandoned, and today there is no one. No people are living there. All the people have been refugeed, and they have left their home, they have left their land, they have left their city, and they have shifted towards Surankot area. So I would like to appeal to the government of district Poonch that we people need your help. We people need your assistance. Either it is in the form of food, water, or anything you can provide that government is availing you with. You do, and you make us reach to the people of district Poonch, because all the people of district Poonch from the various areas, either this is from city, either this is from Jhalas, Bandi Chechiya, the people from different areas of Poonch now have moved to other areas, including Surankot, Sanai and other areas. So now I ask my government that we are your people. We belong to India. We belong to Jammu and Kashmir. So to whom we can go to ask help? It is only you people. You are there to help us. So I kindly request you, the government of District Poonch, district administration, everybody, all the NGOs out there and everybody who can come here and help us people with any kind of assistance you people have, come and help the people of village Bandi Chechia and all the other villages of District Poonch, because we are in the time of help. The need of the hour is help, and we need your help. And the second thing that I would like to put out through this video is that war should never be glorified, and we all demand peace over hate, because peace is something that can be prevailed and hatred wars end. We saw World War I, we saw World War II, we saw various wars in the pages of history, but the thing is, wars and leaders shake their hands. But the thing is that the people on the ground floor, the civilians, either a soldier dies or a civilian dies, it is the humanity what dies. So I want to put up my message, and I hope that it reaches the government that war should never be glorified, and we hope that this war ends as soon as possible and we go back to our homeland Poonch and we see our whole humanity living out of this fear. Thank you.